Union Pacific 1487 and 1461 is coming. So I'm going to go over to the one crossing over here. I just want to make sure if any cars are not going by before going to the crossing here. So let's get here real quick. I'm filming this crossing here. Coming, everyone. We're on Prescott here. We're not on Crawford. Sorry. The crossing's on Center Street just activated. These ones are about to. Sounds different. Crossings are about to activate. Here comes 1487 and 1461. Wait, is this 1487? No, it's 1461. And 1487. There goes the crossings. Just went by. So, here we go to another signal here. Here we go. Hope you guys saw the crossing there. It went off. Hopefully you guys got to see the quad light too, so hopefully. There goes one on on there goes the train. 2 cars. I don't hear any bells. Probably because I'm a little far away, for one, but... Okay, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for new videos like this. And we will see you all in our next video, which is Thursday. Peace!